Tantra offers a few what we call introductory workshops. The first is the nature of Tantra. It is a 3-hour introduction and active meditation. And the second level is a 1-day workshop, which we call the 1-day immersion, which moves us from the conceptual understanding that we got in the nature of Tantra and moves us into the practice. We defined the term and we can all agree that, okay, this is what we're calling Tantra in this moment, and we can kind of work toward that. Then we start to open into the practice. So it takes experience to move from conceptual knowledge and understanding into understanding, into comprehension. And so we use the body, we use the breath, we use various different techniques to try to start to arrive more in the body, to connect more with the body, and to start to trust the information that the body is bringing us, so that we can use it as another portal. So we're not just stuck with the mental understanding. We start to integrate what we've understood with the mind into the body. We use a lot of different exercises. We move the body a lot. We breathe, we dance, we move. And all of these are aimed at bringing us just another set of information that brings us closer to the truth of who we are. So the workshop lasts 7 or 8 hours and has a break in the middle for food and rest. And it's really a chance for us to take this exploration a little bit deeper.